Today on Headroom Unboxings, we're going to check out the Fostex HP-A3 headphone amplifier. There is one piece in this box. Get out the handy knife. Looks like we have another box. Here's the owner's information. And once you remove the amp from this nifty foam box, you can use it to keep your night crawlers in. For those of you that fish. Here's our amplifier. Nice metal chassis. Got some weight to it. Feels like a pretty sweet little product. Input selector, optical, and USB for audio. Looks like it is powered via USB. And outputs, we've got our headphone output on the front or a analog output on the back. Not positive if that's volume controlled or not. But this is just an unboxing, so we haven't used this yet either. Have a loop output on the optical. Kind of neat. Like a pretty cool little desktop rig. In this bag here we have our rubber feet for non-slip usage on your desktop and a USB cable for connectivity to your computer. So this looks like a pretty neat little computer rig. Check it out. We'll see you next time.